Good day everyone. I'm Michelle Salinas from Growth 3. My topic is ratio analysis. Probability ratio, gross profit ratio is formula gross profit ratio equal gross profit net sales times 100. So, ang gross profit man is ang probability is muna siya ang kanang overall nga imong nahalin o dira po di mo siya mabalan if affected ba ang inyong teamwork or kana siya nga business. Example, total sales is 2,000, then sales returns is 1,000. Cost of goods sold is 100. Muna siya ang example. Net profit ratio is ang formula net profit ratio net sales times 100. For example, using same example gyapon about expect the net profit is 2,000. Operating ratio formula is operating ratio equal cost of goods sold plus operating expenses net sales times 100. Ay, ang kanina times 100 is given na siya. Example, cost of salt is 90,000 and other operating expenses are 15,000. Net sales is 150,000. Next is return on shareholders investment or net worth. Formula is return on equity capital net profit after the tax. Difference divide equity share capital times 100. Example, suppose net income and organization 150,000 and 300,000 whereas shareholders investment or funds are 200,000. Next is return on equity capital. Formula return on equity capital equal net profit after tax. Preference divide equity share capital times 100. Sa imong tanan kwarta na pagawas is naa kay percent of 35%. May ana siya